Welcome to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Chef Paul Rhodes with Carolina Cooker. This is a dove and corn chowder. Wonderful, kind of sit by the fireplace on a cold evening. Great type dish for that. We're gonna take our oil and we're gonna add that into a 9-quart Dutch oven. Throw in your onions. We're gonna throw the carrots in there. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and add our dove breast in here. We're gonna take a little salt. We're gonna add the garlic real quick. We're gonna take some flour. We're just gonna kind of run this on top here. So we're gonna go ahead and add in our corn. We're gonna go ahead and add in our chicken stock, add in our potatoes. We're gonna go ahead and add our cream in there. Take our water, a little bit of cayenne for a little bit of a kick, parsley in there. What we're gonna do now is we're just gonna cover this for about, I'd say 15 to 20 minutes. Let that cook down. We're gonna check it, see how it is, maybe give it another 10 minutes or so after that. Yeah, that's perfect, exactly what we're looking for. This is a great one-pot meal. I mean, as you've seen, we put everything into the pot, we cooked it, it's ready to go. You can have it with whatever sides you would like to do with it. I'm Chef Paul Rhodes, and remember, cooking wild game does not need to be intimidating. It just needs to be cooked properly to make tasty meals at home.